Mino-monitor na ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang ulat ng iligal umanong pagbiyahe ng black sand mula Zambales patungong China. Nauna nang pinababantayan ito ni Senator Raffy Tulfo sa DENR. Sabi ng senador, pagdating sa China ay sinasal ang mga minerals mula sa black sand at ang buhanging matitira ay itinatapon umano sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson for the WPS, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, siniseryoso nila ang ulat na ito lalo na't mahalaga ang black sand at iba pang rare earth minerals. Gayunpaman, sinabi niyang may tamang ahensya ng gobyerno na may jurisdiksyon para aksyonan ang ganitong usapin.
We have received these reports and have been monitoring them for the past. We are taking this very seriously, considering that black sand and rare earth minerals have military technology applications. However, we defer to the appropriate government regulatory and law enforcement agencies that have jurisdiction over this matter.
Hinggil naman sa epekto ng extraction ng black sand at ang posibleng pagtatapon nito sa West Philippine Sea, sinabi ni Trinidad na higit pa sa pagkuha ng black sand ang nakakabahala, kundi pati na rin ang posibilidad na magamit ito sa military technology applications.
What is more concerning there is not only the extraction of black sand and if confirmed the dumping in the West Philippine Sea, what is more concerning there is its military application the moment rare earth minerals are extracted. However, again, we defer to the appropriate regulatory and law enforcement agencies of the government that have jurisdiction over this. What has been confirmed of the reclamation in the West Philippine Sea is the destruction of the environment because of reclamation activities that destroy the seabed, the corals, and other natural formations of the West Philippine Sea.
In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.